Welcome to a world of raw power, precision, and modern engineering. Today, we take you deep inside a marble quarry, where one of the biggest cranes ever built works tirelessly to cut through solid stone like a hot knife through butter. Marble, one of the oldest and most luxurious building materials known to humankind. From ancient sculptures to modern architecture, it has always been a symbol of strength and elegance. But how does it go from solid mountain to smooth slab? Let's find out. Meet the giant. This isn't just any crane, it's a fully integrated cutting and lifting system designed for extreme conditions. Weighing several tons, it uses diamond wire technology and hydraulic precision to slice through marble that's millions of years old. Before cutting begins, the machine's operator carefully aligns the wire saw. This diamond-coated wire spins at incredible speed, grinding through the stone with microscopic precision while creating almost zero structural damage. Now watch closely. This is where the magic begins. The rotating wire starts cutting into the marble block. It might look slow, but remember, this stone is as hard as nature gets. The wire moves steadily, carving a perfect line through the massive rock. As the wire slices deeper, water jets spray continuously to cool the wire and suppress dust. Without this, the heat from friction could damage both the machine and the stone. All around the site, similar machines work in harmony. Each block can weigh over 20 tons and take several hours to fully separate. The crane you're watching here is designed not only to cut, but also to lift and transport these gigantic slabs. Patience is key. Cutting marble is not about brute force, it's about technique. Each pass must be deliberate and measured. These machines often run for hours, even days, to complete a single clean cut. And now the lift. Once the cut is complete, massive clamps grip the slab. Hydraulic arms gently hoist the block, revealing a perfectly smooth face underneath. It's a beautiful moment seeing Earth's ancient material set free. From here, the block is transported for polishing and shaping. But the hard part is already done. Thanks to this incredible machine, what once took weeks of manual labor now happens in hours with stunning precision. Thanks for watching this incredible journey through marble mining. If you enjoyed watching this powerful machine in action, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more jaw-dropping engineering content.